Hi everyone. Switching from Trello to ClickUp is a smooth process if you know where to look. Here is how to migrate your boards quickly and accurately. Step 1. Locate the import tools. To get started, navigate to your workspace settings by clicking your name/avatar in the top left corner of the interface. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once inside your settings, find the Import/Export tab on the sidebar and click the Import Items button to see your migration options. Step 2. Authenticate the connection. In the Import from Apps section, scroll down to the bottom to find the Trello icon. Click it, and you will be prompted to grant ClickUp authorization. This is a crucial permission step that allows ClickUp to safely read and copy your existing Trello boards and member lists. Step 3. Mapping your destination and layout. Next, you need to tell ClickUp where this data belongs. Pick the specific space, which is the top-level container for your projects, where the board will live, then click Next. You will then choose how your columns are interpreted. The Section as Status option is recommended, as it converts each Trello list into a corresponding ClickUp status. Step 4. User Mapping and Execution. Before finishing, you have the optional step to import users. Toggling this on ensures that Trello members are brought over as ClickUp users so task assignments stay intact. Click Next, and finally press Complete. You can watch the status indicator to monitor progress. Once finished, your board will automatically appear in your chosen space. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.